press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hey friends, this is Ashok A.Riwal. I welcome you all in today's class. Yes, my dear friends, today we are with the next chapter, chapter number 8 and part number 2. It's chapter number 8, part number 2, and that is about Maria Sharapova. Maria. Who was she and why are we going to read this chapter? We'll discuss here the summary of the chapter, we'll discuss here message, we'll discuss all the important word meanings of the chapter. So let's start without wasting much time. As I told, the lesson is about Maria Sharapova. Who was Maria Sharapova? She was a Russian girl and she was sent to United States for training at the age of 9. Right, and she reached the summit of women's tennis, becoming world's number 1 when she was barely 18. यानी कि 18 साल की उम्र में वर्ल्ड की नंबर 1 टेनिस प्लेयर बन गई मारिया सारापोवा. Right, so this is about the wonderful achievements of the women. As the message we have discussed already about the previous chapter about Santosh Yadav, जिसका part 1 है, that is about Santosh Yadav, and we have discussed the word meanings and summary already. The talent, unwavering desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice can lift one to the top of the world. अगर आप रेडी हैं, आपके अंदर टैलेंट है, राइट, एक डिज़ायर है, बर्निंग डिज़ायर यू में से, एंड यू आर रेडी टू सेक्रीफाइस, तो आपको टॉप पर, वर्ल्ड के टॉप पर ले जाने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. दिस इज़ द मैसेज ऑफ द चैप्टर एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम. So the first word, summit, the highest point of a hill or mountain top, that is summit. Motivates, stimulate the interest, as we have discussed already this word. Attire, the fine and formal clothes, attire that we call, A-T-T-I-R-E. Poised beyond her years, means graceful and elegant, bearing at the young age. She looks quite graceful and elegant, उनकी एज से भी कम. Pinnacle means top here, P-I-N-N-A-C-L-E. Friends, ये word meanings you may find quite important because once we read the word meanings तो हमें पूरा text पढ़ने में कोई problem नहीं आएगी. Right? So, pinnacle, top. Ascent, A-S-C-E-N-T, ascent, climb to the top. Accent होता है A-C-C-E-N-T, A-C-C-E-N-T. Accent means here बोलने का लहजा, और ये A-S-C-E-N-T, ascent means here the climb to the top. Right? Next, launched, started, heart wrenching, causing strong feeling of sadness. क्यों? क्योंकि when she was only 9 years old, जब बिल्कुल 9 साल की थी, तो उसे अपने मम्मी से दूर जाना पड़ा था, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, जैसे कि बताया. शी वॉज फ्रॉम USA, सॉरी रसिया, और रशियन गर्ल थी और उसको जाना पड़ा यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. राइट, बिकॉज ऑफ सम वीज़ा प्रॉब्लम्स हर मदर कुडंट अकम्प्लिश दैम, सो दैट्स वाई शी हैड टू गो अलोन विद हर फादर ओनली. कंपेल्ड मीन्स फोर्स्ड. रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, लिमिटेड कंडीशंस. क्विटिंग, लीविंग, छोड़ना, स्पेशली परमानेंटली. Steadfastly means firmly, मजबूती से. Pursue, seek to attain, प्राप्त करना, फॉलो करना किसी को. Begging means you're winning. Meteoric rise means quick success, बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेस मिलना. Fans, admires. Looks, a person's appearance, his looks is like that, means appearance, उसका appearance कैसा है. Ambition means your desires for success, जीतने की इच्छा. Amply means plentiful, ample, पर्याप्त. Accent, as मैंने बताया था अभी, A-S-C-C-N-T, accent means a particular way for pronouncing language. Fizzy, of a drink. Pigeonholed, belong to a particular group. Pigeonhole means here it is about a particular group. Next one is talent, skill. Unwavering, unmoved. Readiness means willingness. Grudge, malice, ग्रज होना, पर्सनल ग्रज होना, किसी के प्रति कोई फीलिंग्स, बैड फीलिंग्स या कुछ और लाइक दैट. इज रैपिंग मीन्स हियर इज अर्निंग, So she had no grudge with anybody else, and she says that we must respect everybody. She is quite patriotic also. देशभक्त भी हो. She says कि अगर मुझे कभी मौका मिला रशिया की तरफ से ओलंपिक खेलने का, तो मैं ज़रूर ओलंपिक रशिया की तरफ से खेलूँगी. This is about the chapter. So this is quite important, which is basic summary, the word meanings, and next we'll meet in the next video with complete summary. And in a separate video we'll discuss the text also of your NCERT. Right, so till then, stay happy, stay healthy, bye bye, have a nice day.